Hello, my name is Helberduan Abril Williams, volunteer and negotiation of technology understand it negotiation group number 65 day 24 November 2020. Running is sex to demonstrate through to Barner how it affected the problem until in excess of an inequality value due to probably implement commerce in competition and problem 3 cause of the problem economic impact and commercial instability of the product intertermine as file due to third war. My problem control of the some painting white and agreement instability that it's benefit the interested parties. Concept, concept and effects. Loss of inventory value into investment under control into quality and correct application of the patent since it is directly more the commercial population market instability. Recommendation to avoid to define obstacle the probably the 40 to patent creates chances to 2 points that it is no use abusing in if it does not there's is the duality value and the support to 2 points in generally. Thank you your attention.